The people them walk up and kill her because they were tired.
A few moments later.
Them walk up and kill her, you fuck. Y'all don't want to listen to killer? Y'all don't want to listen to bounty killer? No, you don't know who that is, but bounty killer. What? You don't want to listen to bounty killer? Oh man.
2,000 years later.
Killer can't headline a bumbuckler show Alkaline Depon. Yeah. It's not that type of party.
You move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah man, you know what things said. You see me, yeah man, but people see Jeffrey them run out, them talk about the bounty and alkaline thing. You see me, so we have to react to what them say. I'm kind of correct the narrative. You understand? People, pre this.
People were leaving were young people.
That's not what I heard, but continue.
But that's what I'm just telling you what me is. Me never left for something. I don't know if it's, I don't think it's a performance thing. I think the people them just decide to say, oh, we get what we get.
Yeah, but what do Alkaline?
Because of the young people.
No, I'm sorry, let me DJ my song now. Fuck you.
Yeah, alright, go on.
Listen to me. The people them walk up and kill her because they were tired.
Alright, this is what me have to say, people. Because, you know, me not like a lot of people when they at the show, people call them and tell them this, what them hear and all of them thing there. You understand? Everybody I hear say, and all of them look at something. See? People, look at this. Bounty Kid do a show in BARCLAYS, July the 5th. That is first show after 20 years. See? Show ram out. But let me tell you, what was the strategy? We go on. The promoter post Bounty Killer, headliner, theme, face and the flyer alone. Few days later, the same promoter put up Friends, added Friends, Movado, Idonian, Massacre. Right? Look, you know, stadium, ram out. Zine, which arena I say? Zine? Remember, you know, a Bounty headline the show saying why he might perform last. Zine? When you check it, nobody never walk out on Bounty Killer. Nobody never walk up on Bounty Killer on July the 5th. So how comes them walk out pan him? So wait. So how comes them never, how come it wasn't time and people tired? Eh? After Idonian Massacre and Movado and some other artists forward pan the show to, you know, people come give Bounty strength, you know. How come the crowd never tired at the first show? And that me can't understand. You understand? These people are trying to find excuses just because them narrate Alkaline. You understand? But look what them say.
Simple as that. Let's do the running order. I might wrong a little bit, but after Ellie, I think it was Alka.
Okay.
After Ellie is Alka. After Alka is Shensia. After Shensia is Capitan. After Capitan is Bounty Killer. Mind you, you just got to have a high energy Vegas set. Right? A high energy, when you Elephant Man set, a high energy Capitan set. Remember, when we hear upon the ground, Capitan, they have big feet. And they don't want feet. We hear them have big feet. Because the people them tired. Right? So now.
People, with Jeffrey I say I'm madness. So you're telling me, people, remember you know, the seated areas, they on the corner. Zine, they on the corner them, in the arena. So you're telling me, the people them who sit down more tired than the people them who stand up and be at the front of the stage? That's what you try to tell me, say? Because what I say nah make no sense, bro. It nah make no sense. The people them were left in the arena are the people them were just, yo, them rate Bounty too, and me I go stay and watch. But the majority of the people them were left, them not interested for watch Bounty Killer, brother. You understand? From the show post, a Alkaline name been calling about the show, bro. A lot of Alkaline fans was there. You understand? And then I realize what I go on. Remember say the show when doing Movado, Massacre and Ray, them the people that I go respect Bounty because them see Bounty around them people there. You understand? Alkaline fan na rate Bounty. You understand? And it shows you, bro. Them people that were left in the arena what listen Bounty, some of them rate Bounty, that's why they stayed. You understand? Alkaline fans them walk out. Me now say everyone have people them come there. an Alkaline fan. See? But sometimes things can be motivated. People can see people are cut and say, oh, can't bother watch Bounty and cut too. You understand? But majority of the people forward for say Alkaline. You understand? And it's like when I get in just a try find excuse about time, tired, people tired, very. How the people them will stand up, not tired. And the people them will sit down, tired and cut. Me not understand that.
You get all of that. If the argument say Alkaline fans walk out on Bounty, would that make sense if they would walk out on Shensia? Because, alright, it's like Songfest. When you go Songfest, you know.
Bro, yo, that brother you're sick, you know. Bro, let me tell you this, brother. Because you know in a sense. All the people them walk out on Shensia, bro. Alkaline and Shensia have anything? I got to ask you, Jeffrey. Alkaline and Shensia have anything for the crowd? No listen, Shensia, brother? Nah, make no sense. No, it does not add up, brother.
And you see Protege and Protege come from a night too. You got a yard. You know where come from? But we can't say that. These people are tired. They got you so much. I remember the Alkaline set, it was a sing-along. It was word for it. You don't get the fall of the jumping. But people say Alkaline perform good. And there's a lot. Then they are sing. People say them host after it. So, what happened is, the promoter look a bit at fault here. And kill a team at fault.
People, let me tell you. Enough of the people them now, where you see there, them you might feel them a dance, but them not dance people. The people them have some light in them hand with some flickery light with colors. And them a wave it. So you might think say some of them a dance. And a that trick the people them. You understand? Bro, sometimes people just a push up them hand. Them not really move them body. You understand? So what you say about tired, bro, it not make no sense. It not make no sense, bro. Because the people them where they at the front, them not sit down. Them stand up. So why them stand up for the whole show where they at the front for listen Bounty? But the people them were in at the seat. Some of them are cut. It just not make no sense. The people them will sit down. Nah, other people.
Probably him too as well. Come, you don't know sometimes a team make decisions about you. This headlining thing fuck up the whole thing.
This is what I wanted to. Me and never talked about
Yeah,
before.
remember
Sorry,
that.
the DJ.
This headlining thing fuck up the whole thing, right? There's no way a Bounty killer should be closing out this. Because we're gonna be real. This show with a full regardless. Regardless of Alkaline, regardless of Bounty Killer, this show with a full. It keep last year and it full last year. With Elephant Man, them and I think Vegas did the last year too. This is one of the hottest. This is the hottest week in New York for Caribbean people.
Yeah, everybody.
Yes, don't get it twisted. While up on 4 million people on the road on Eastern Parkway, right? It's massive. So this type of full regardless. Cool? But this headliner thing mash up the whole thing because remember what I say? I say, yo, the only person who can headline with these names is Vybz Kartel. Yeah. So me think Kartel like a run out and be like a 15 minutes.
We also say that it could have.
Yo, Jeffrey. Bro. Sometimes when they dip on the platform I chat shit, bro. What you mean only Vybz Kartel could have? You did think say Vybz Kartel I got headline show and Ray. Bro, you know in a sense, brother. Bro, Vybz Kartel show was before the 30th, bro. Did you see Vybz Kartel? When them say headliner, bro, you know me realize you no believe. You come like say a Vybz Kartel alone no believe in her, bro. You understand? Because you come out you think say a Kartel I got head. So you tell me say bro, you no feel like say a Kartel alone can pull crowd, brother? Eh? You talk about Kartel I go run off for 15 minutes. Joe CJ say yo the show I go headline. The headline I go reveal at the show. You no think say a Vybz Kartel, bro? That now make no sense. You no realize you no follow the algorithm. Every show we Kartel I go do him face up on the posters, bro. You understand? Him on the high demand right now. So why would CJ Milan put Kartel as a reveal? Knowing say him on the higher demand than any other artist where him would have make the show sell. That now make no sense, bro. You understand? And that with uno believe in the other rest of artists them. Trying see Vybz Kartel forward from prison and not go certain place and I do him thing and I sold out shows because I'm absent. Uno try use that. If you discredit with the artist them I do and with the artist them can pull, bro. Uno for stop it. You understand?
Just with Alkaline.
No, because now it's like the names them and there's so much headliners on this. And if a man could have been a headliner, Mr. Vegas could have been a headliner. If we talk about diaspora like Caribbean music, Shensia and Alkaline.
Yeah.
That's a keep it on, right?
Yeah, that's a keep it on.
Yeah, keep it on. So when you ever say headliner to be announced and then the promoter go post Bounty Killer will be headlining, Killer just did the Barclays.
But this is what I'm asking you.
Brother, that now make no sense, bro. Bro, remember how much Barclays Kartel do? Zed more than one, brother. So you say Killer done dead this already, bro. After 20 years, Killer did first show in the US. So why you feel like say Killer couldn't headline a second one? You understand? That nah make no sense, bro. Not try to find a bag of excuses, dog. You understand? So that nah fi do nothing with the headline, bro. No. So wait then. When him do the first headline, and then when you look at see Mavado and Idonia for the first show, July the 5th, what him do? And thing. Zine, why you never say him couldn't headline that? Eh? Why? A 3 artists people, a 3 artists post on the first event, you know. 3. You understand? And me not hear no now, you know, una talk about, yo, I can't give you, una na priest, look here. Mavado, Idonia, big artists. Them pull some of them people, that a chick, you know.
Yeah.
Wasn't he on the bill?
Oh,
before?
Killer?
Why do I remember him being on that bill
Killer?
before? Yeah.
No.
He wasn't.
No.
So
I should add him. She said headlining. I can't find the post. I'm not sure something. I
don't know. Maybe I'm mixing up because, you know, say them they do.
Because remember at first, the first flyer was saying that, what you call it? The first flyer was saying headliner to be announced.
Yeah.
Because remember, when I say me in danger and everybody are post. See that? It's why wait? So like I said, why wait for the headliner? This Saturday, your headliner for Reggae Fest Massive is the Warlord. Killer can't headliner Bumbo Clash.
Jeffrey, you don't understand what happened. That's not how it works, bro. If you feel like, say, these 8 artists, can't no sense in a dog. If you feel like, say, these 8 artists are up on the show, sign a contract. Remember, say, CJ Milan, say, ALKALINE sign contract for January, you know. So you feel like, say, CJ Milan, I just get up and just sign one urgent contract to put Bounty as a headliner, bro. You know, no sense, bro. Bounty sign contract for the 2 of them because the 2 of them close, brother. No sense. No sense, dog. It's just that she do it in a different way. The first show in July the 5th, she put him up as a headliner and then add on Mavado Idonia Massacre upon it. But this one, she put on the 8 artists them and then put him on at the last minute. You understand? Because the first show, I never really pull it. And that I now realize CJ Milan know. She knows, bro. She knows. That's why she add on. That's why when she dropped the headline out, the ticket wasn't selling what the first one with Bounty. Or when she have add on Mavado them pan it. Una get the jiff, you know. So what she do now, she add on the 8 artists for pull the fans, and then now when the ticket them sold out, she add on Bounty as the headliner. Una get it, bro. She was gonna do it at the reveal show, but when she check it and realize, yo, we ticket them a sell. Them a sold off, so that's why she drop it earlier. Una realize, brother. You understand? But listen to them as a people.
ALKALINE the one. Yeah. It's not that type of party. Mm-hmm. No, granted, I think both of them are headliners. But when you ever say there is one headliner, because the flyer said the headliner to be announced at the event, correct? Mm-hmm. And she said, why wait? Killer the man. Killer cannot pull a crowd like ALKALINE. He cannot pull a crowd. The crowd went pull for BARCLAYS.
Yeah, I'm understand with that because Killer generation them kind of gone. You understand? A different generation, you know. You see me, so ALKALINE really I go pull the crowd. And ALKALINE have a lot of hit songs. You understand? And for them hit songs them more recently, ALKALINE have the young fans them. And them have some elderly fans too. And a young fans alone ALKALINE have. You understand? Because you have elderly we respect him and love him music too. You understand about Bounty Killer thing? Remember, you know, bro, music changing and him no come a US about 20 years, you know. And Bounty no really have no recent hit song like that. If you say, yo, Ray, are just the elderly people them who know Bounty song them from way back, them forward. So ALKALINE go pull more fans than him. You understand? Because ALKALINE have both. Bounty Killer no really have the young people them. He more have the elderly people them. Because him gone about 2 or 3 generation. You understand?
If we're being so real, it's an appreciation crowd. Because I think that crowd in pull
Thanks for coming back.
We appreciate it. We miss you, Rodney. You get me, sir?
Bro, Jeffrey, you're lying. That's not no appreciation crowd, bro. That's not appreciation. I know so it work. Yes, people come. Bro, you have to understand, you know, bro. Bounty Killer never go prison, you know, brother. Remember, say the same diaspora people in New York and everybody. All about UK, Canada, who come back to visit them family in Jamaica. See? Remember, say them come to Jamaica and see Bounty Killer. Sunfest, every Sunfest when do in the 20 and the other shows them when do at Jamaica. The people them will fly out come see him. You understand? You have to understand that too, bro. So when you say congratulations and Ray, remember say people are fly too. You understand? So people are seeing him, it's not that Vice Cartel when nobody could have seen him for 13 years in sight. You see me? So when you talk about sorry for Ray, bro, enough of people them see him there already. It's just that him now, them maybe just see him now, but you have to understand, say, bro, it wasn't. Remember, you know, after CJ Milan put up the Bounty Killer, a few minutes, 2 days after she put up Mother and Ray, so that way push the crowd, pull the crowd them to, bro. I don't do a show in a UBS before that show there. You understand? Mother did do couple show too. So now if you read, look it between the lines, bro, and say, yo, them man help Bounty pack the arena. You have to look on them thing too, bro. You understand?
So I'm not gonna sit here and say Alkaline fans walked out on Shensia and Bounty Killer. They walked out because they were simply tired, and Bounty Killer did not never work enough to them for them to make a stage with a performance. So that's the truth. And I think Alkaline could do that.
Bro, why man? Them man love excuses. Tired. People, it just not make no sense. People, you know how much artists perform on Bounty for a show? What did that mash up on a rocky crowd? The man them a bring excuses about tired, brother. The people them on their front, when I sit down, them stand up the whole time, people. The whole time them stand up. How them people they still stand up at the front and take in Bounty? How them not tired? Are the one them will sit down in the seat? Zine? It nah make no sense, bro. You can't say tired. Tired that just excuses, yeah, look. Me understand when you say, maybe the people them not really too into Bounty like that, make them cut. But majority of the people them really forward. The Alkaline fans them come out and them now go stand up and watch Bounty perform, bro. That's why, bro, people been leaving before Bounty Killer perform. Because them know say, him I go perform last. And them see the other rest perform on the flyer already. So them know him I go come after the last artist who depend it. So people been walking out already, brother. Some of the vendetta people them walk out as him start perform too. If you see, if video war go on and see the crowd and every little thing. And the place he looks skanky, bro. So you can't talk about tired. Because them never tired when him and Movard one Idoniash they enter upon him show in a July. Nobody never tired. So how them tired now? It don't make no sense, brother. It don't make no sense.
But 2 years from New York, forgot New York. You have to understand it.
But you're talking. It wasn't a good look optics wise for Killer, for sure.
Yeah, I remember I saying New York that people try to beat the traffic. People try to get there, but people try to find them parking.
And it's not only New York on a regular, it's New York on a Labor Day weekend.
Isn't it people just the time, bro?
Yeah.
Isn't it them show they are run for a good 6 hours inside break, but people tired.
Fair enough.
Isn't it?
People, you hear my talk, but people them tired. Or them never tired for the first show. Bro, never stop it, bro. Admit the fact, bro. Actually, Alkaline name me couldn't attack. Make a the cartel. Make a the Vice Cartel fans them walk out. And see what you know what say. Bro, no found a hypocrite, bro. You understand? And should no one Alkaline thing look powerful, not talk. You understand? And now get the reality, you know.
But big up to Reggae Fest and big up to dancehall music and big up to everybody. Now the question never asked. Can Alkaline fool the Barclays by himself?
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know.
No. So what you know?
People, just listen how that brother here named Jeffrey will contradict himself. Just listen, you know, cause that brother here where they beside him I expose him, you know. Cause he say it first, you know. And then now him take back him words. You understand? And if I never feel Alkaline, nobody would not talk about even the show going on Barclays. You understand? But listen what he must say. He must contradict himself.
I don't know. Last time we had this.
Listen, me nobody know.
Oh, you don't know, okay.
I ain't have a force for no. Listen, me don't know.
And say you want them over here. That's okay.
Yeah, right. I don't know.
Why you not think so?
Here what? It's tricky.
I think it's possible.
Right now, when give me the time. Announce it for me. When Alkaline can say new rules, Barclays Arena. When can say Reggae Fest, Alkaline.
It's tough for them on a weekend.
No, give it down like which time, like this year?
People, you know what I realize? Since Cartel come out, this, I don't know when since Reggae Fest. It's like we'd have Sunfest. I don't know when since Reggae Fest so relevant. For dancehall, if you say, yo, this, you know, these are the most achievement. Look how much arenas out there. Why this one? I don't understand. Wanna use Barclays now for leverage artists? And that you not try to do now? A venue? I don't understand that. Barclays maybe pull like about 15 to 20k people. We not going like say a one venue can full. Bro, look how much artists do more than 20k people, bro. We not use Barclays just because of the name or the capacity or how much people you can hold. What's the problem? I don't understand. When things Barclays become dancehall Grammy, I don't understand.
Next year. I don't think next year. I think Alka's going to like a good 2 years from New York. Forgot New York. You have to understand it.
Wait, you're talking in terms of, okay, so I can get this straight. You're talking since him do this. Since we okay, so we're not talking.
I don't think he could do before, because if he could, if the promoter had faith in him, they would have.
Brother, what you mean by promoter have faith in him? I don't understand that, brother. Suppose ALKALINE book out in a way of him shows and everything, and him couldn't work with her. When I look upon them thing there, we talk about faith. I don't understand. When it's faith and business go, I don't understand how that work, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, bro, artists been booking in there. Suppose ALKALINE never ready for take bookings in a BARCLAYS. Eh? Suppose ALKALINE never do it. You understand? It just now make no sense. You don't know what say I bring up bag of excuse and all of them little thing there, bro. That now make no sense, bro. You see me? You not talk about faith. Maybe she never have faith in a ALKALINE. And you now look at the other stuff them for say, yo, I wonder if him what you call it? I wonder if him just do him thing and him not ready for take the bookings yet. Can you feel like ALKALINE take heavy bookings in bro? Bro, Reggae Fest a go on long time, bro. Remember say a year before that, before Cartel come out, artists in there, bro. I don't know move out of them. Enough artists governor the whole of them in a BARCLAYS. You not go on like say when Cartel come out, this BARCLAYS thing, bro. Bro, CJ Milan and Cartel a friend them, a bridging them, business partner. You understand? The reason why them a do business is because she knows the Cartel go pull people and make she make money. Because I'm demand right now. You understand? You understand? The man be a come out of prison when nobody never see him. And him have him song them. What you expect? You see it? You not try compare Cartel absence with other people with their road and not try use that as leverage, bro. The artists them never absent. The artists them need their road. Give Cartel some time to do a couple shows and then you see the same effect. And playing and flatten the field. You understand?
I have looked on Cartel.
Maybe the headline in price a little. Maybe it's cheap.
Man, hell fuck you know, bro. You don't know? Regardless, that lady spent.
She be spending money.
She spent less money to book those artists than to book Vybz Cartel. If I'm a betting man, I can't speak for her.
We can't speak for that, but more than likely.
More than likely. So if ALKALINE could pull that, I remember, you know, Cartel fee is not because I'm full the stadium, you know. It's because it's full at what price? This nigga gross 8.4. How?
But bro, you see what now pre as leverage, it not make no sense, brother. The only reason I talk to Jeffrey, was did Cartel their road, bro? You not look on these things. You not go. First of all, Cartel back to back BARCLAYS. The same price for the ticket them. The one when you do it, you think I did the same price for your ticket them, bro? You ticket them cheaper. Someone don't know where you talk about price and all of them look something there, bro. You understand? No, bro, Cartel no do, bro, let me tell you this. Cartel first show was January. Say January the 1st was Cartel show. Cartel gone what? 9. This would have been the 9th or the 8th month. Yeah. It would have been about, it would have been about the 9th month. Cartel gone 9 months. In a start performing and all of them look something the people. 9 months after 13 years. You know how much demand is that? You know how much demand is that? Worse, him no go US for 20 years, which I got take out the 13, right? Out of the 20. You see it? So that would have been like 13 out of the 20. You see? That would have been like what? 7 years. See? So you see how long? Plus the man drop some song and hits and every little thing. You know high demand that? The man not do a year yet in a show performance yet. And 9 years, you know, at January him start. So him still a go dead and him still a go solo out him show them, bro. At 13 years people not see him. It's like we don't know demand, bro. You understand?
Podcast. You understand?
Podcast, bro.
So, yeah, we can't really rate. We have to really look upon them something. So, I mean, can ALKALINE full the BARCLAYS? I would love to see it. I would love to see it. That's all I would say, because he is one of the leaders in my massacre he is one of the leaders in my massacre for the next generation, right? And that would be good because we know so it'll get younger. It'll get younger and younger and younger. Yeah, what is ALKALINE thing and full in the bar?
People, yeah, young generation, but I not think, you gotta say massacre and thing, bro, but we're talking about different leverage, bro. Cause when it comes to arena and them something, massacre not in the talk. You understand? Massacre not really in the talk, bro. The crowd pull and all of them look at something there, bro. Massacre not in the talk, bro. You have to remember say, yo, a Gaza thing did that help massacre. You understand? But if you want to call it your opinion, if you want to say, yo, he might lead the next generation, which a lot of people wouldn't say that. You understand? But, bro, when you keep on a compare Cartel, you know it's so funny, people. It's so funny that them man here, want to see Alkaline full out the arena. See? So me I say, want to the other rest of artists them. Bro, Cartel in the game for about much? About 30 years, you know, bro. 30 years, you know. And it's so legendary if you say, yo, una leverage up Alkaline if you say, yo, true Cartel full out the Barclays. No one say, no. Cartel and a higher demand, you know. Which them nobody never seen for 13 years. Like, none at all. You understand? And for now say, yo, yeah, one day if Alkaline. No one say Alkaline been in the streets, been performing for the 13 years while Cartel they are prison. You understand? And it's so legendary if you say, yo, I saw me know say Alkaline is a great artist, bro. Cause look here, me nah hear them ask if this a artist you can, me nah hear una say if Popcorn, if this a artist you can full it out. One to the rest of artists, man. Alkaline, you wonder if can full out that. So it shows say, yo, the youth great. You understand? Anything is possible in life, bro. You understand? So me nah go say, no, him can't do it. Cause we don't know. It never been done, it never been tested yet. You understand? But me not like the look of Barclays thing like we don't want to use that for dancehall thing. Yeah, not since Cartel come out not try use Barclays. Yo, man solo Barclays and Ray, bro. It is expected for Vice Cartel to do that. We not going to say Vice Cartel as some artists we just bust. We not going to say the man did their road that do shows. You understand?
Barclays. Can Alkaline full the Barclays?
There's a possibility.
There is. But I don't. Alright, is it 20,000 PN patrons?
Hard for the still. This is hard to do. It is hard to do, bro.
And then you have to remember what to, you know, bro. With even let's use Vibes Card as an example.
Mm-hmm.
Let's and put the location of Barclays. What about Brooklyn? Enough Jamaicans.
Yep.
I mean, I say so. There's a lot of people. You understand? Can Alkaline pull out these people?
People, the man they must say, yo, Jano. People, Barclays own 20,000 people, bro. Bro, Alkaline pull out more than 20,000 people already. Him pull that out of Jamaica, bro. You understand? More than that, brother. You see me? It might be not be the cost, but at the end of the day, it no matter the cost, brother. From people that just wanna put on them clothes and walk or take taxi or spend money buy a ticket plus spend money buy gas in a vehicle or taxi or Uber or what's or train. If you come at the party and watch an artist, it is still grateful. You understand? Nobody never have to get up out of them bed, bro. You understand? Left them wife or child or whatsoever. You understand? If I support, I just support.
We don't know. And then now, we've been as the Alkaline over the years. Or has he ever done a couple of years not performing? So I look on that.
What kind of excuse that? People, what kind of excuse? A man say if Alkaline ever do a couple years not performing. Bro, you're mad, man. It's like, bro, you think the Alkaline did lock up? I don't understand because true, I understand you try to do the compare with Cartel. Like you say, true Cartel did lock up and him couldn't get to perform. You try compare it for say, yo, do Alkaline not perform for a couple years we can do that. Bro, no for stop it, bro. Stop it. What you say now make no sense. So you tell me say Alkaline if don't perform for a couple years if you do that, bro, that now make no sense. That now make no sense, bro.
So that's have to do it also, like, you know, same thing with the Cartel thing. It's scarcity free, like you said.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you don't.
Well, we will love to see it.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Them big man keeping them own shows. Them big man doing them own thing. We'll see them do. We'll see them do at England. How long they never got England for? It was a minute.
Years.
And then the 12,500.
Yeah.
So, you know,
it's doable. I think it's doable for him. I think he can do it. But I think it's based on factors. Like you said, it could be a scarcity thing.
And then if him go find some tune.
Also that.
If him go find some new tune. But based on the catalog now.
Alright, you know.
Bro, stop it, brother. You have to stop it, dog. What you mean if Alkaline for fine tune? Bro, look how much artists are fine tune and still not put. Alright, for example, Massacre is finding the tune and him still not pull the numbers with Alkaline at the bro. By himself. Him still not doing it, bro. You have to stop it. Stop talking about tune. Cartel have no new song around the place. If you pull the crowd with him there, Cartel have pull 20,000 people, 15, 11,000, 14,000 people. Him have no new song. What we can say, and some new set of song in this era? No, bro. The man I use him old song them the last 10 years. Before 2020, the prison years when him in a prison. You understand? And some done more before him go prison, bro. We have to stop it, bro. Stop talking about it song, bro. You understand? Stop talking about it song now. Pull crowd. Bro, stop it, brother. Because the artists, alright. Since you talk about hot song. Cartel not have no hot song right now. Or a majority of hot song right now, bro. The only song we can talk about are the God is the greatest thing. So you tell me say, True Cartel not have that. Zine, you go say, yo, the man still a pull crowd, brother. Him a pull crowd, him a sell out arenas, and him not have no new song. So what you try say, Alkaline need some new song. Me not understand that, brother. You understand? How much artists in the dancehall have hot song? And still not pulling the crowd with these artists I do. Come on, brother, on the platform, have common sense, man.
Watch him with it. If him able to quote unquote heat up again and be in the quote unquote hot artist category, yeah. But
people, me I tell you, them man are dumb, you know. The man say, if him can be in this hot artist territory, Massacre hot. When you say Massacre hot, Massacre dude. When arena for solo out, Massacre in the talk. Tell one promoter if we go book Massacre in our arena right now, wanna see what happen. When no sense, bro. No sense. Crowd pulling a guan. Massacre in the talk. I'll not talk about Massacre hot song, and when him go foreign. Him flap. Nobody now sing him song, bro. I wanna sit down and mash up and do wrong measuring and all of them something and realize reality, dog. You understand? But people don't know things that in the media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Know things that is it.